Hi, my name is Catalina Becerra. I'm Colombian. I was born in southern Colombia in a city called Cali, where I was raised and educated in Bogota. My bachelor degree is in forestry. I'm a forestry engineer. I study at the District University of Bogota, one of the biggest public universities in the country. And then I did my master in Norway. I studied international development studies. My work and my studies have always been focused on forest and ecosystem services and rural development. I'm currently based in DC because I'm working for the World Bank. So when I'm not taking this class, I'm usually working. As I say, I work for the World Bank, and more specifically, I work for a trust fund that is called the Forest Carbon Partnership Facility. I provide technical support to many countries, and so yes, I have to go to the office at least 4 days a week. I'm also traveling a lot because of my work, so at least I'll be 2 weeks per month traveling overseas. I can go as far as in Fiji, or I can also go to Africa or Latin America. And so, yeah, um, I travel a lot. And then when I'm not traveling for work, I would like to spend time with my dog and my husband, and just travel for vacations and to rest. As you already mentioned it, I'm a forester, I'm a forestry engineer, and I'm an expert in monitoring, reporting, and verifying emission reductions from the implementation of sustainable forest management activities, including forest conservation, reforestation, afforestation, and so on. At the bank, I coordinate about 20 programs located in 20 tropical countries. But before working for the bank, I used to work for the private sector, and I was an expert in developing uh, carbon projects associated to the forest and land use sector. As such, I have experience analyzing land use and land cover changes over time, both at the project and the program, large scale. Well, I also know how to produce basic thematic maps, but mostly I know how to interpret the information that is contained in these maps. Because I advise several governments on their monitoring techniques, I need to understand remote sensing and the most uh, specified techniques on, for instance, uh, designing sampling approaches and then interpreting satellite imagery, training teams to collect remote sensing data and analyzing it. So I'm a little bit knowledgeable on remote sensing, but still have lots to learn. Previously, I completed a course on ArcGIS Pro, and as I said, I've been managing ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap and QGIS a little bit as well for a long time now. As part of my wish list, or what I expect from this course, is to, of course, know how to use eCognition. I'm quite excited about it, but also I would like to know more a little bit on Google Earth Engine. I know the basics, but I really would like to go deep. And then I also would like to use artificial intelligence to analyze time series of land cover and land use changes. That would be super useful for me and for my country. All I expect is to be able to advise and propose solutions that are not only cheap but also easy to manage. So this is what I'm expecting from this course. And finally, my hobbies are to basically ride my bicycle. I do this every day when I go to the office. I have to go 4 times a week, but also during the weekends. So this will be my main hobby. Thank you so much.